How to view saved passwords on Android phones. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you ever wondered where your password are stored on your Android, here's how to find them. If you use Google Chrome, open Google Chrome and then tap three dots menu at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and select Settings. Now navigate to Password Manager to see the saved passwords. Now you can easily tap a website and confirm your identity and then tap the eye icon to view your password. You can edit, delete or copy password as needed. If you use your phone, you can easily open the settings, scroll down and navigate to Google. Select your Google account and tap manage your account, and here you can easily scroll down to the security option, scroll and look for password manager section. Here you can see I have 8 passwords saved in my Google account. Select Manage Passwords and you will see all the apps and websites. You can select the websites or the applications and see your password by tapping on the eye icon to reveal the password. By following this two method, you can easily view the saved passwords on your Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.